What's up, guys? 2014, very first open gym. I think we're gonna have a few guys show up and train with us today, so that'll be interesting. But before we get started, I just want to tell you a little bit about the routine I'm going to be following for the next couple weeks. I'm going to go back to a little bit of the Grow Stronger method format that I followed most of early last year that got me to as lean as I probably had ever been since college. So that means high intensity, heavy weight, lower volume, followed by core work, which is mostly body weight gymnastic type stuff. I'll be doing that on Mondays, and then on Thursdays, and then on Tuesdays and on Fridays, I'm gonna be doing more like high intensity interval training, sprints and cardio circuits of that nature. In the mornings, every single day. So here's the other part of the program that's more lifestyle. Every morning I'll be walking, like I preach often. I practice what I preach. So for an hour every morning, first thing in the morning, when I get up, still pitch dark, love being out there by the water, right now I'm listening to Ralph Waldo Emerson's biography once again, beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then afterwards, after I take my kids to school, I do my Qigong meditation. A lot of this stuff will be in other videos that I'm gonna create. If you're on my newsletter, I'll tell you a little bit about it in that. But otherwise, let's get rocking for today. Let's see what kind of heavy weights we can lift.
Because I can't front squat for shit.
You guys remember Nate? He came here a couple weeks ago.
What's up, guys?
You can't front squat, so you do zergers instead. You have to load them in your biceps.
Yeah.
Have you done it with straps?
I've done it with straps. It's just too much of pitching on my shoulders, and I was training.
Guys, shoulders are fucking big.
And I was training last week with Donnie, and I was doing power cleans to make the transition over, but to be more athletic. But it's muscle cleans.
Yeah.
But I got 325 with a muscle clean, so can't be mad at that.
So you should jump. Like at the end of your, kind of like the complex shit that Chris does a lot of. TPT or it's TPT now. TPT training, like it's a complex, right? Like it would be a heavy front squat followed by jumps, some of the phases. Yeah.
I like those.
I mean, that supports. If you're looking for explosive strength, that'll totally support you.
Yeah, just making that transition over to athletic instead of big and.
Let me give you a hint. Obviously, this is a hint for a lot of people because Nate's doing the Strength Camp Challenge. If you want to get more athletic for the events, especially the ones that you don't know, what I just said about complex training and TPT will help you big time. Yeah. It's a good bet because it's going to be athletic. So squats with jumps will support you there.
First week back into
this over.
First back into training.
Ha! Yeah, that's the way I feel right now too, man. I gotta get revved up. I feel like a bitch right now with how cold it is. But gotta do it. I'm gonna hit heavy pull and push. Not very athletic. Tomorrow I'll do some athletic stuff. Training in the morning. Oh, that's right. Oh, talk about what you've been doing. Seriously. That's good shit. Hey, listen to what Chris has been doing. Now you know what's up.
I'll wait till it's done.
That's cool.
I'll wait till it's a finished product.
That's fair. He's up to something big though. That's the cool thing. Chris is up to something serious. So I'm gonna go 5 sets of 5 on pulls and pushes today, beginning with bent over rows. It's been a little while. These videos were far more interesting when I was doing Olympic lifts, I think.
I'm trying to make the transition back to Olympic lifting.
Come on in. I'm just lacing up. What's your name?
Jake?
You're Jake?
Yeah.
Elliot, man. Nice to meet you. Chris? Nice hair, bro. I'm trying to grow my hair like that. What's up?
Wyatt.
Wyatt? Where you guys from?
Naples.
You came all the way up here from Naples, huh? Yeah. Is that your paper?
Yeah.
Could you just give it to Chris? Thanks. Are you guys competing in the challenge also? Nah. I know, you just came here to work out.
Yeah.
Cool, well, warm up, make yourselves comfortable. Listen, for the next 2 hours, mi casa and su casa. So warm up. I'll get you guys doing some exercises if you want to. If you have your own workout that you wanted to get involved with, that's fine too. And I'm gonna be hitting some stuff on the barbells over here. So, warm up. Naples, that's almost like 3 hours.
Yeah, almost.
You guys in school?
Yeah, I'm senior high school.
High school? All three of you?
He graduated last year.
You guys even live?
Yeah.
I'm just fucking with you. What kind of stuff you guys into? Play sports or anything?
I play baseball.
Baseball still play?
No, I don't play more.
A couple of different things. Basketball, play lacrosse, a few different things.
You don't skateboard, dude?
Yeah, I skateboard.
Of course you do, motherfucker! So, you look almost like this kid I used to train, except you're a lot taller and more grown up looking.
What's up, man?
Wow.
How are you? Good to see you,
man.
Good to see you, man.
Yo, you're in a video right now.
Hey, what's up?
It's Mark Miklos.
How's it going?
Hey, dude. So I used to train. Look, if you go back to like 2008,
Yeah, I was little.
he was a little kid. There are videos on my channel where he's like doing box jumps and stuff like that, beating up his shins.
I was looking at the other day, yeah.
Were you?
In the sandbag squats on the box.
What are you up to right now? This guy I used to kick his butt when he was like 12 years old.
Growing up down South St. Pete with pushing the prowler.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. So you came to train a little bit today?
Yeah.
You know that I got these videos where we
Yeah,
just
I know. I've been looking at them.
come and train.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Hey, you know what you haven't done in a while? What do you do? What kind of training do you do right now?
I'm just doing stuff in the gym. I'm playing baseball at Northern University in West Palm Beach.
So you're still in Florida?
Yeah.
Where you live? You live down there during the
Down there, yeah. But I mean, I'm a mile away from here now.
West Palm Beach.
Yeah.
That's right. Your mother works at this school with my
She said she talked to you.
my
She talked to
daughters.
your wife today. She's like, yeah, you gotta come down here.
That's cool. Yeah. So you haven't flipped the tires since then?
Unfortunately.
Maybe you could teach these guys. You need to warm up there? He was 12 years old and he used to put this tire with us down at the old gym. So cool. See, check his technique out. He's got his arms along. How many years ago was that? He still has some
Ryan.
What's up, Ryan? Where you come from?
Largo.
Largo? Oh, you live here too,
Yeah,
man.
man. No far.
Cool, we got a good crew here. This guy used to train with me, so he's showing off right now. So these guys are up from Naples.
Naples. What's your name? Chris.
It was dope with them handlebars.
What was he telling us he was excited about on this?
Change the fork of the handlebars,
Yeah.
and well, he's gonna change that back.
It looks pretty cool,
Yeah,
actually.
it looks better.
Give me a red one.
Get it, Chris. Woo-hoo! Probably fucking freezing on that thing.
Yeah, it wasn't that cold when I left the house.
No, it was fucking hot last night. Sweating my dick off.
Take this one next. This guy knows what he's doing. Take this too. Just rotate through. Try to get, look, listen. Try to do everything like 3 times. This, that, 3 times. And then that'll be your warm up.
Oh, okay.
These guys are like, what the fuck?
That's a big one?
Kind of warm up is that? Did you do everything here? Do the farmers, and then I'll let you do it. I didn't listen, dude. It's so cold. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want you to be warm. You could shoulder that sandbag too if you want. Yeah. How quickly my workout.
There you go.
How quickly my workout turns into training. I guess I just gotta allocate that. Monday I'm a coach.
Just straight, yeah.
Just forget it. Don't even try to do anything. I'll switch my Saturdays out with these. Cool, good job, man. Yeah. So look, this is a little different. For that one, I mean, your form is really good, but this one, really try your best not to use your bicep. You know, baseball players also have a tendency to have really tight bicep and shoulders, so you don't want to mess that up. So here, use your legs. Look, what you're really gonna do is get your knee underneath it, and then fight to get it here. Good, knee underneath it, and then throw it. Yeah, champ. You got it. Do a bunch of them. Good, long arm. Use that leg. Yeah, really get that leg. Powerfully pop that top there. Leg under it. Do whatever you want. I mean,
How'd you do it when you were winning the?
typical gym etiquette, turning it in. But these are all set up. Somebody else set up.
Other people are like superstitions, and I'm like, whatever your weights, I'm not touching. It's your way.
I force myself. I'm superstitious about superstition. I try not to have any fucking superstition, because then you become a slave to it. What happens if your lucky shirt is dirty?
I got stuck.
Gotta get aggressive. It's fucking angry! Yeah, there you go. Try it again. Gotta be mad at it. Good. All you, man. Good. Get angry. Get angry. Good. Do one more. Good. That's it. Come on. Good. Who wants to go next? You guys want to try this?
Hey, we have record boards. Anybody wants to break the record board?
These guys look like they were. Hang on. Stop. Yeah, you're doing this? Yeah. I need you to, you're taller, so get your hands out a little bit wider and get your arms long. Yeah. There you go. Lean into it. Use your legs. Come on. A little bit of help. Good. That's all you from here. Come on. Stick with it. Stick with it. Come on.
Come on, Wyatt.
Yeah. Good. Come on, man. Stick with it. Come on. Go. Ah. Want to try it? Come around this way. Go around and turn it this way. Good. Get aggressive. Good. Lead it. Good. Stick with it. Nice. Good, stay right. What's up, man? Where are you from?
I live over here, about 10 minutes away.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
Nice to meet you. Jazzy.
Jazzy?
Yeah.
Dude, you're not freezing?
I was just telling him I go to college in Atlanta. I'm a big fan. I figured out you live over here.
Yeah. So you're from St. Pete? You're St. Pete local?
10 minutes.
You wanna train? Take that sandbag. Carry it out. You know what, Jazzy? Bro, take that sandbag around the island. You just got here. Let's warm you up fast. Let's grab that shit, however you want to carry it. Take it around, bring it back.
Alright.
Yeah? Let's do it. Good. That's it. Good. That's it. Think about your hands as two long hooks.
Okay.
So what you definitely don't want to do is try to curl with your biceps. Long hooks, bang, come up.
Okay.
Come on. Sit, Jazzy. Come on, man. Stick with it. Come on, get aggressive. Good. Try one more. I'm not going to give you any help. See what happens. Do your best, though. Use your legs to get it out. Good. Stick with it. Nice. Stick with it. Stick with it. All you. Come on. I got it. Good. That was all you. What's this? That has something to do with football, don't it? Let's go, Jazz!
2001 we won one.
I figured you like put it on your shoulder or wait a second.
Take that when he gets back. Actually, no, you already did. Take that where he is, come back, and then when he comes back, take the farmer's bar and do the same thing. Tell him what you just said. It went from
Bodybuilding to Olympic lifting to strongman, all in 5 minutes. Hey, I'm gonna do some back rows. Nope, I'm gonna do some cleans. Nah, I'm just doing a strongman lift because everyone loves strongman.
good. Now we got the yoke. So, see what I did there? There we go. Here's what you guys do. Like a squat, like you do a squat? Yeah. Walk with it. Walk with it to like right after the boat. Put it down. And don't try to turn with it. Put it down, come back underneath it, and bring it back. Good job, Mark. There you go, bud. So that's like 250 pounds. Good job, brother. Let's give it a go next. How was that?
Good.
Not too, right?
Yeah, it's a lot easier like this.
I like that better too, man. Oh yeah. So what do you guys do? Strength and conditioning. Good, Nate. Hey, dude. Let's go, Mark. So, you guys keep going. I gotta fucking work out. I gotta train. Keep doing what you want to do in here. Come in if you get cold and you want to do something inside, and we'll clean this shit up afterwards. So keep playing with stuff. And if there's something you want to do, let me know. Back to where I started, bent over rows. That quickly escalated. Leave those guys out there. I gotta do something, bro. How'd you do in the tire, man? I saw it bite you. How many flips did you get on the tire?
Shit is heavy.
I'm not here to wrestle.
I was assuming it'd be like 800. I said it feel like 800.
But you do the 1,000 pound, right?
Yeah.
Over a ton.
Yeah.
Well, it has no grip on it. That's over rows. I came full circle.
Kind of come out of program.
Just gotta bang it out.
You know what I really like for isolated? The sumo backwards. You take a sumo stance, and then you go backwards. It really gets the lower level. Here.
Like this?
Yeah.
And then what?
Bring it like to your belly button.
Do you do, how do you hold it?
No lower. Take a lot of strength.
So like this?
Yeah. Bring it to your belly button. Oh, you're doing deadlifts. Oh, there you go. the idea from Mark Bell.
I like it.
My biggest thing on my deadlift, that pullback snap,
Sumo bent over row.
I like that.
it's crazy. It just isolates your back more than just the back row. In the back row, I'm like cheating most of the time.
I stay real stiff. I isolate my core and try to keep my body stiff, just from the arms.
Yeah, we have that.
Huh?
We have that. That's why I incorporated the sumo. The sumo, I'm stuck here. I legit have to force all that lower.
I like it like this better. It's more challenging, it feels. Because the center of gravity
Yeah.
not over the base of support here. It's less leverage.
But it's really depends on what you're training for.
Do the squat? Yeah. You want to use this? Yeah. That's a good height for you. Let me move this out the way. I think he's using this right here. What do you want to hit? You want to hit some deads? Bring that right here. Do it right here. The thing is, a lot of the plates are outside. So you can do it right here. Yep. How much you gonna go up to? So you can do this too, right?
Yeah.
I'm just doing mental rows. If you want to jump in with this, that's fine too. A lot of the plates are outside as well. There are more over here also. Ah. So you just train by yourself basically at the gym? Yeah. Okay. Spread your knees as you come up. Here, show your crotch the entire time. Spread your knees, show your crotch. Show them. Push your knees out, push your knees out, push your knees out. Much better. You can take your time at the bottom, try not to bounce, and sink in deep if you can. Better, much better. Feel a difference there? Yeah. Sucks, right? Yeah. Spread your knees, spread your knees, spread your knees. Good. Not bad. Low, slow, and spread your knees. Bang, nice. Very good, dude. Looking squats, man. Spread those knees. Feel a difference on the last one?
Yeah.
Are you doing the challenge? No. Okay. You said 365. That's why I was wondering.
I mean, that was at one point. I had a lot of pre-workout.
That's your PR. Did you find that here?
Oh, the belt? No, I brought the belt.
You brought that? Okay.
Yeah. You guys already have it?
No, that's why I asked. I might have one.
Yeah.
Surprise to me. We're gonna do one more set here. We're gonna jump to 50 here and back. How many sets you do so far? That was your first set?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna jump over here.
Yeah.
I'll do one more here. You said you live here? You live in Largo? Where are you in high school, college?
St. Pete College?
You go to,
Down on like
you're in
5th
college.
Avenue, yeah.
Hey, this guy goes to Gibbs.
Which one? Oh yeah?
You want to get?
Yeah, we get it.
Yeah.
A long time ago. But yeah. Is that?
I said, okay, yeah, I'm in the beer program. You know what that is?
What
What is it called?
PCCA? No, Mira. Down at Gibson.
You're in a music program?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, you sing?
Yeah.
You send me a video of you singing?
Yeah.
I tried to send it over to you.
You trying to send it to me?
Or Colleen. Yeah, I got it. I knew you looked familiar.
How you know something?
He sung like what would you call that? It was like piano, right?
Yeah. I forget the song I sang. It might have been I did a cover of the song Lights by Ellie Goulding.
You get all the musicians.
Yeah.
Get a little Drake vibe.
Drake cover too, yeah.
Little Drake vibe? You were drunk?
No.
You get drunk with your singing?
Drake.
Drake. I don't know.
Which Drake song was it?
Culture.
Take care.
So your hips are going to be high and your back's going to be round. That's just the way it is. Here, boom, put it on your lap, get your hands over the top. Try that. We're going to do another set there. Good, get it on your lap. Make sure you're close enough, get your feet close, good, over the top, just bring it right up to your face. Get your whole body, hug over it, and pull it right up to your chin. Good, come on. Good. There it is, man. That was great. Do it again.
Doing a set?
Did you go yet?
No.
You go, then I'll wait. There it is, man. Good, that's it. Over the top. Good, bring it right up to your chin. My bad. Good, there you go, get close to it, walk your feet. Good. Yes, stick with it, come on.
Got it.
Push.
Nice.
Stick with it, man, nice. Here's the rule. You can do one and walk away, but if you do two, you have to do three. So if you attempt number two, you just fucking have to do three. Otherwise, don't try it. Hey, do this also. Get this on the bottom, so that, yeah, because you got better grip on that. Good, now get up, yeah, there you go, get right over it. Good, hands over the top. Good, squeeze it to your chest, pull it right up to your chin. Ah, use your whole body to squeeze it close to you. Good, much better, that was so easy. That was a lot easier, that looked good. Good, over the top, come on. Good, looking around, it's not necessarily a program. Good job, man. It sucks good. Go, man! Come on, dude! There you go! Gotta get aggressive with that stone, man! You making me feel strong when you do that. Let's, you see the prowlers? Those white sleds right there? Let's take those out there. Oh, there are other, and then we'll use the plates that are on the farmers to put on them. I'll be right there, let me just put this away. Yeah. Yeah, these ones here too.
Competition going on because I'll tell you, the best results, the best progress you make is competing against somebody else that will to beat everybody. So
This one is like so old.
you know what I would do? Both of them together, both of you guys together, both of you guys together. Whoever wins goes on to the next round.
Oh, Nate's great in competition.
Well, that's the best way for this one to train.
Let's go, Nate.
So both of you, and then
Yeah, that's
whoever
something to
wins
think about. You
moves
can't
on
use
to
that
the
one
next
for
person.
competition.
No.
To the next person.
No.
Me and him?
I'm gonna buy more of those.
Yeah, whoever wants to go first.
They're a little different, just mind you, but you know, whatever.
So you want to go?
Where are we going?
So you guys want to go there and back?
Yeah.
Also, look, there's a bump, there's a speed bump on this side. You see that?
All right, I got
To the
it.
left. That's why it's not
Take
totally
it out,
fair. But whatever.
We got the cone in that. To the yellow cone? Or that green cone?
Actually, you know what? Go before the speed bump. Back it up. Back that up to the third. Yeah. All the way to the first line there? Yeah, thanks.
So the way it's gonna go is you guys start low, and then on the way back, you guys switch to black pillars. That way it's easy transition. I'll give you guys a competitor ready, and then I'll make it go. Okay, set? Competitors ready! Go! Push! Let's go! Come on! Oh, yeah.
I'd bring him this way a little bit too because once it's farther that way, it's harder. I know like some of that shit out there, so like bring him this way a little bit. Yeah.
Yep, that's that. Got that? Is that how you do it? I'll do it. I'll clean up. Competitors ready! Go! Let's go! Push! Keep pushing!
Hey, would you get what? Get his Atlas check?
You gotta get his Atlas check.
Go! Finish you out! Come on! Finish! Come on, guys! Keep them up! Let's go! Let's go! Move it! Move it! Come on, keep moving! That's right! Good job, guys! Next up! Competitors ready! Go! There you go! Come on! Quick feet! Stop! Go!
So fucking windy. That audio is gonna be terrible, huh?
Yeah, it'll be. I'll still be able to hear it.
Let's go, Nate. You and me. You gotta finish. Come on.
Well, let me get cleaned up.
Nah, yeah, just squish it.
Alright.
I don't care. Like, how much stack do you have? Wait for your pen. Which one do you want?
It don't matter. You know what, that was the winning one. This one, give you an advantage.
I should take the winning one? Okay, we'll go.
You know what I think? I'm gonna go down here.
Okay. Just say Marcus said go. This one must be light.
You got that one. You guys took it the last one?
I slid on it. Hey, you got tacky all over my. It's like bubble gum.
I got the.
Look at this shit.
It's all good. So who wants to go first?
Next.
Who went first? Who's up?
I guess winners should go against each other.
For advice, tacky doesn't bother you. Go to the lower ones. You're even.
Me?
If it doesn't bother you,
Who else's name is Danny?
you're not. Give him a go call.
He's gonna be stuck to it with the tacky.
Yeah, man. Hopefully you're not allergic to tree nuts.
Competitor check. Are you stuck?
He's alright.
You see that?
Competitor
halogen one on the back
ready!
of that thing? Like everything.
Come on.
All right, who's up next?
You guys are done? Well, it doesn't matter. Two different guys.
Okay.
Two more, and then you and me again. I'll go on the big one. Who is it? Who went with him?
Winner. I went with. I don't know where he went.
Who's what we missing?
Hey, that competitor mindset. Let's go.
Oh, Ryan! Where'd he go? What'd he do? Nah, Ryan that sings.
Oh.
He's making pee-pee? That's alright. Somebody else hop in. You wanna go?
That competitor mindset, you gotta be ready anytime.
Training earlier, right?
That's what kind of training it's gonna take if you want to reach your goals. No excuses. Give you 10 seconds. Get your air.
Alright.
Competitors, get your mindset. Mindset. You guys ready? Set. Competitors ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. Push. Let's go. Step it up. Quick feet. Quick feet. Let's go. Turn it up. Turn it up. Go. Go. Quick. Push. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Keep going. Don't give up. Let's go. Come on. Hands down. Let's go. Push through. Push. Faster. Let's go. Up. Almost there. On spine.
So then you mean? I'll go with that one this time. I'll go with the loser.
More tacky on growlers.
Wait, everybody's been pushing it from down here?
Well, if you push them up here, you're at disadvantage.
Oh yeah?
Only the angle separation. This one's lower, this is low.
Well, I'll take the separation. Let's go. What do you guys call it? Mark, you call it? Just say on your mark, you said go.
Chris just comes out of nowhere.
Chris is being, you gotta even
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
My legs are cold. Well, you did a lot more than me too. Crack that one away.
You guys get home safe.
Peace out, guys.
I didn't eat any bananas today.